Here guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys some cool and slash ugly shoes. So I want you guys to comment below, and we're gonna start with number 1. Bruh, comment. My thing is no. Out of 1 out of 10, it's a 2. Ooh, these. Number 2. Oh, they're stuck to a magnet or something like that, but look at these. That's number 2. That's number 2. That's number 2. Number 3. Okay, it's not on a magnet. These, I give that a 1 out of 10 is 3. Nah, these are a 0. Even if it's not a 1 out of 10. Okay, you guys, we're gonna move on to the flip-flops slash boots. 1 out of 10, 0. 1 out of 0, 0. I'm gonna give these a 3. They're weird looking, but they feel good. These, I'm gonna give these. What are those? I'm gonna give it a 2. They're not ugly. They're not ugly. It's just the color. I like this part, the little design right there. Okay, we're gonna get to the boots. What are those? Give that a 1. 1. These would be cute in my size, but that's ugly. Okay, I'm not gonna move to the socks. Ooh, these are warm. Look at these. These feel so comfortable. Stop, CJ. Look at that. These are comfy. Still, these are on the inside they're comfy, but on the outside they're not. These are comfy on the inside, but on the outside not. These. Oh, we're here because have a game tomorrow. I'm a cheerleader. Yeah, I'm a cheerleader and stuff, so I gotta get my stuff. It won't go in my freaking hand. Hold on. Oh, God. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I will walk around these. Ah, that's it. Yeah. So I took her phone. Yeah. Yes.
We're about to go. Give her back her phone. Where is he?